Hey Topaz kiddos, it's Mrs. Visconti, and I wanted to go over very quickly how to easily attach a picture of your work. So here I am in a Google Classroom. This is a band class, and I see that I have an assignment here. So I'm going to click this assignment, and I'm going to go down here to View Assignment. This is very important. You've got to open up View Assignment because then it gives you this second page where I now have an area that says Your Work. So when I click here to Your Work, if I would like to add a picture of my homework, I'm going to click Create or Add or Create. In this case, for our math recently, I asked that you submit a document with a picture. And we are going to go ahead and allow it to create the document and open up a new tab. Now notice that my new tab has my name on the document and it has the assignment on the document. So it is all ready to go and it is labeled and ready for me. Now I don't have my work here. So what I need to do is I need to click this button here that says Insert. And I click the image button. Actually, I don't even click it. I just hover over it and this extra menu pops up and I'm going to scroll down to camera. Now I'm going to tell you this, when you open up the camera, some of you need to allow your camera to be used by Google. So when that button comes up and it says allow, please press allow. Do not click block. If you have already blocked the camera, there will be a red button here you need to click and say always allow. So if I click on image and I click camera, the camera is going to open up and it will be ready to take my picture. So I'm going to take a picture of my notes. And there it is off to the side. Hi. And you can insert into your assignment. You can leave me a note if you want. Here is my homework for today is the 7th. So I'm going to put 2020. There we go. So my homework is now complete. And this is what you need to do next. You're not done. You've taken your picture, you've attached it inside the document, and as we talked about in class, Mrs. Visconti's eyes are old, so you can always zoom in if you want. You have two ways to now submit your work. One is to click Turn In, which will take you here, and you can turn in. I'm going to click Cancel. You would click Turn In right here. I'm going to cancel because I would like to show you another way to turn in. So after you're done with your document, if you close it, you can come back to Google Classroom, and here under Assigned, you have your Turn In button. And you can click that and turn in your assignment. And again, you have the Turn In button where you may submit. Once you turn it in, above you will see that the assigned will turn black and it says Turned In. All right, kiddos, I hope that this helps tonight with your math homework. Please make sure to submit your picture of your 2 math problems and show me your work. I hope you have a great evening, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.